Hello everyone, this is Phoebe from XINCHAI Sales Vehicle Company. Today we are showing you two skid steer loaders shipped to Panama. The walking device is wide distance tubular boom with higher load capacity. The bucket capacity is 0.45 cubic meters. This model has the advantages of safe and comfortable cab and a long lifetime maintenance-free sprocket box. This model can be equipped with different tools such as the closed sweeper and bulldozer to achieve rapid replacement of tools and higher working efficiency. XC740K is produced by XCMG. It has equipped with XINCHAI engine as standard and YANMAR engine as optional. It has the characteristics of low fuel consumption and low noise. XC740K can meet the needs of various narrow space working conditions. It's an ideal tool for road construction and multiple maintenance. This is all content today. We have been exporting construction machinery for over 120 countries. If you have any machine requirements, please contact us at any time. Thanks for watching. Noise and low noise and low noise.